ọ̀rọ̀ PDD tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ l'Amẹ́ríkà, ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ni mo fẹ́ sọ briefly. Ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn sí yẹn, in this life as a man, please, no matter what a woman do not lay your hands on her. I made a video recently about domestic violence when I saw one afa tí wọ́n ní wọ́n na woman ẹlẹ́hà kan báyìí that gbogbo ju woman ẹ wú only to 800 naira for whatever reason. You don't have any right to beat a woman. You don't do it. You don't do. When I saw that video, I think I've seen that video some time ago, but when I now saw, because the trial of Puff Daddy have started, big trial in America that boils down on, you know, racketeering, domestic violence, in the midst of a lot of other counts. Now, èyí tí mo fẹ́ mú yọ gbogbo nínú ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ni pé báwo làwọn èèyàn ṣe máa ń hùwà bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn? Some men, báwo lẹ ṣe máa ń hu ìwà bí ẹranko? If you are a man and you beat your woman, you are an animal. Kò sí yàtọ̀ náà. Yeah, kò sí yàtọ̀, because lion ló máa rí pé ó fẹ́ bá lioness sùn tó máa fi claw tó máa tap tó máa bá ṣeré kó tó di pé ó bá sùn. You are beating your woman. You are beating a woman. Mo wo ọmọ fídíò yẹn wà scary. Ẹ rí bí Puff Daddy ṣe gbá woman yẹn ní pa. Ó dẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní fi irun ẹ̀ wọ́. Ẹ̀rù bà mí, kò tiẹ̀ bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run. Ó ró tó wẹ̀, ó dẹ̀ nàyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Now nínú court yẹn, ó jẹ́ kó yé wa pé àwọn family ẹ̀ náà wà nínú court yẹn, nínú courtroom yẹn. Ó lọ́mọbìnrin, ó lọ́mọkùnrin, àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ obìnrin, àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ ọkùnrin, wọ́n rí irú fídíò bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Ìwà tí bàbá wọn ti wù. Sí yẹn, mo ti sọ tẹ́lẹ̀, ọkùnrin tó bá na obìnrin, ẹ lọ wo bàbá ẹ̀. Ẹ lọ wo bàbá ẹ̀ dáadáa, bóyá olórí ibú bàbá ẹ̀ náà, bóyá olórí ibú bàbá ẹ̀ náà máa ń nà yẹ. Tí bàbá ẹ̀ bá nà yẹ ni wọ́n náà máa rí pattern yẹn, bẹ́ẹ̀ ló máa ti rí idea yẹn, because I don't see, bàbá mi ò nà ìyá mi rí. Èmi ò tẹ̀ gbọ́ bí tí bàbá mi ti pé òun àti ìyàwó mi níyàwó, bàbá mi níyàwó bíi 4. Mi gbọ́ rí nínú ìtàn, mi rí tá fi dàgbà. Bàbá mi ti kú ní kọ́ lọ́n fọ̀run kẹ́, mi rí bí tó ti nawọ́ sókè, tó ti gbọ́wọ́ sókè na ìkan lára àwọn ìyàwó ẹ̀rì. Kò tiẹ̀ tọ́ máa tẹ issues máa ń ṣẹlẹ̀, mo máa ń gbọ́ tọ́ máa táwọn ìyá yẹn, àwọn ìyá wa tọ́ máa táwọn, mo máa ń gbọ́ nínú passage. But mi gbọ́ ohùn bàbá mi rí pé ebi ló bá rí bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, mi gbọ́ rí mọ́ wáyé máa jẹ́ pé so because àwa náà ti dàgbà, àti níyàwó ńlé, àti mọ bó ṣe ń lọ. At times obìnrin máa ń náàgì, tó bá náàgì bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn wọ́n pé èmi ò gbóhùn bàbá mi rí o tó ń tàwọn sáwọn àwọn ìyàwó ẹ̀, mi gbọ́ rí. So tí ìyá ń bá wa náàgì, at times tí máa pariwo pé kí ni ìfimílẹ̀, let me get out of the house jáde, màá mú kí màá get out. Àwọn ohun mi ti loud, àwọn ọmọ mi ti gbóhùn mi, but èmi ò gbóhùn bàbá mi rí tó ti ń bá. So nǹkan tí mò ń sọ nìyẹn, there has to be a trajectory. This thing has to come from somewhere. Look at what he is doing to a woman. Ọmọbìnrin ó fa irun, ó fi irun ẹ̀ wọ́. Ó ń bà mí nínú jẹ́. I don't know why all these things are happening in this world. Èṣù ní ẹlòmíì, ọkùnrin mi bá èṣù ni. Tó bá rọ́kùnrin mi tí èṣù bá dúró sí ẹgbẹ́, tó bá ní kò mú kan, mú èṣù o. Torí ọkùnrin yẹn, èṣù tó ń gbénú ẹ̀ ó ju ti èṣù gangan lọ. Yeah, that is the truth. Some men are actually devil, some men are actually evil. Wàá náà ìyàwó yẹn tán, wàá tún wá lọ bá sùn. Orí burúkú ló ń fà sínú láìfà rẹ̀. Ẹni tó gbá lójú tó gbá nímú tán tó lọ bá sùn. O mọ intention ẹ̀, o mọ nǹkan tó wà lọ́kàn ẹ̀. Sí ẹ tó bá mọ nǹkan, even when she is powerless, she cannot confront you, she cannot. O treat ẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn tán, o wá ń bá sùn. Èpè ló ń gbà sórí. Èpè omi ń pè bóyá ò ní lówó, ó lè lówó képe dẹ̀ jà ẹ̀. Do you know how rich PDD is? He's a billionaire. What are you saying? Èpè máa jà. Gbogbo àwọn ọ̀wà tó ti wù yẹn allegedly o, torí wọn ti convicted. Allegedly. Gbogbo àwọn ọ̀wà, irú ìwà táwa rí lórí fídíò yìí, èpè yẹn máa jà. Èpè yẹn máa jà. I'm not saying because ó ti bímọ, ó náà bá àwọn ọmọbìnrin. Ó láwọn sisters. Ó láwọn niece. Èpè máa jà, èpè máa even tí woman Cassie yẹn ò bá ṣe pé àwọn tó ti ṣe fún tó ti ṣe pé àwọn ẹlẹ́dàá Cassie gan ní ṣe pé ó máa ṣe pé ó lè máa treat èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn náà wọ́n náà ní ìyá náà. No, you that you are beating your woman as a man, you have a mother. Now, okay, let us put this into context now. You beat you are the kind of man that beat your woman and you have a mother. Then if your mother, let's say your mother now, maybe your father and your mother, they are no longer together in the marriage, you get, maybe your mother now remarries, then the your stepfather is now beating your mother. Oh yeah, I want to know something. How are you going to react? If you now go to your mother's house and you find out that the stepmother just beat your mother the same way you just finished beating your woman at home, oh yeah, how are you going to feel? In your home, you just finished beating your wife to stupor. Your mom now calls you that, Kunle, come. You now get there. You now realize that the stepfather has beaten your mother. How are you going to do? Oh, you will now be fighting the stepfather. Hey, the avenger. So who will now avenge for the ones you have done in your own house? Who will avenge the beating you have done for your wife in your own house? You see, it is very terrible. You don't do it. A woman can frustrate you. A woman will frustrate you. There will be issues. But don't put marriage in here. Marriage is managed. You tolerate one another. If a woman is nagging due to one thing or the other, in fact, some women does not need any reason to nag. If a woman wants to create, wahala in the house, she will create wahala. She doesn't need a reason. I want to mama someone pay. Don't see your woman, don't see your wife as your mate. Don't see her as your wife self. See her as your daughter. If your daughter has done something wrong, are you going to be beating her? No, now. You see, when you see her like your wife, you'll be like, then you'll be offended. But when you see her like your daughter, yeah. Because some women sometimes they will do all this, they will not even give you rest of mind in the house, but it doesn't give you the right to beat her. You can say, let her be. If she's nagging, if she's making the house uncomfortable for you, get out of the house. Let time douse the tension, because time will definitely douse the tension. When you leave the house, by the time you come back in the next then you guys will talk. You talk things over. You keep talking things over. Over time, there will be changes. You get. It is when there is no communication in a marriage. Whenever there are issues, that is when the issues will keep lingering. There will be issues. Don't deceive yourself. If you are a single person, you are about to marry, there will be issues. As a matter of fact, it's your wedding. Oh yeah, key our pastor there will be issues. So this one that you are saying, I love you, you may kiss your bride, you love him, you may kiss your bride, you love her, you may kiss your bride. Tell them too that there will be issues. There will be days that the tension will be so hot. You have to know how to, get over things, communicate. When you have issues, let time heal, let time douse the tension. When the tension is down, then you can communicate. Babe, I don't like it. Okay, babe, I have offended you. I know now. I realize that I've offended you, but maybe no. Even when your wife has, made a meal, if the meal, or the thing is, you can complain constructively with love. Don't say, what kind of nonsense food is this one? Why is it this salty? Why is it this? Don't do that, because she has taken her time to cook, a lot of effort, sweat in that kitchen to cook for you. So don't just sit there and start acting like a demigod. You get me? So another thing, constant in marriage, in relationship, there will be arguments. As a man, don't bother to win argument with a woman. As a man, anytime you enter into an argument mistakenly with your wife, because the minute you enter into an argument with your wife, you have made the first mistake, because you can never win an argument with a woman. When you have that at the back of your mind, the problem is already half solved, because you already know that you cannot win an argument, because you cannot win an argument with a woman. She will always go to one. She might remind you of the last 20 years just because she can even give you irrelevant points. She Okay, jẹ́ kí n tún já ẹ. Even when she knows that she is wrong, the argument is not going anywhere. She will give you, so you get. But as a man, let her feel like she is winning. Let her feel like she is winning. That is what a real man do. Do you get? A real man, you make your wife important. You make her feel important. You listen to her. You listen when she's talking. Sometimes some women, they love to talk. Just pay attention. Give her a listening ear. You get? Don't disrespect your woman. Then a lot of times, another thing to man be when a woman cooks, just taking her time to cook, while everything, you will now come back from work. Because it's not good. So another thing to man do is, see, you don't have to wait for your woman to ask for money before giving her money. If you have, babe, just take this money. You might want to buy some things. Take them. You know what I'm trying to say. So as a man, know when to leave that space when the heat is on. When the heat, when you heat your boya an argument, boya ìyàwó ẹ̀ ń ṣe menstruation, ó lè bẹ̀rẹ̀ menstruation, kó ní mood swing. Once your woman is having a mood swing, don't stand up to her face. Recluse yourself. You get? Because there will be mood swings and she will start doing some things tí o ní like, but be ready. Tí máa wà nílé tí a bá ṣe kíní kan, okay, ẹ ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ti bí àlejò ti dé, and yes, àlejò ti dé. I already know. I give her the space. No matter everything to calm, I will go back to my normal. So that is how you can make a marriage last long. Because there is no perfect marriage anywhere. So people will say, but why are those people getting it right? It's a lie. They are having issues too. They are not getting it right. It's just that they are managing the situations that are arising in that marriage. They keep managing it. They keep managing it over time. Our blend. Because when you start a marriage, when a marriage is new, it is the love. The love will be burning. But you get to a point. If the love wears out, it is the understanding and the tolerance that will remain. Yes, tolerance tolerate ara yin ni, because that is when you see that your woman, after she has given birth to kids for you, body shape everything ma yàtọ̀. You now be looking like woman yìí gbàtí mo fẹ́ gbogbo ọyàn yẹn dúró, everything man dúró, man yan báyìí, ìdí yẹn man ṣe ó ti bímọ. Our body has gone through a lot of transformation. So don't sit there and say but it is that time that she truly needs that love. Love kan tó máa wà ní sàlẹ̀. Love, okay, I love you but then cut. I love you because you're boyfriend and girlfriend. But love sàlẹ̀ yẹn ló máa wá jáde. Then tolerance will come with it. You will now be tolerating yourselves. And my love ara yín bẹ́ẹ̀. You will love her like that. No matter how she looks. Even your husband, ó lè ti grow pot belly, but to fit, but to meet her, ó fit. Mr. Macho ni, man gym, ó ní gẹ̀, ó fit, flat tummy, 6 packs. Tó bá ti ń dàgbà dé level kan, ó lè yọkùn. Tó bá yọkùn, máa sọ pé bàbá kínní, bàbá Kúnlé, báwo lẹ ṣe wá yọkùn tí kò and body shaming is the worst thing that could happen to a spouse. And when you body shame your partner, is the worst thing that you can ever do. Don't do that. So back to the topic. When I saw that PDD video, please, man, if you know you are the type that beats your woman, please let us stop. It is not good. Jeff Owolewa is my name. I'll see you on the other side. And please, if you know that you have not subscribed to my channel, I take God beg you, subscribe to my channel and smash that notification button. So when my next video is popping up, and you let my kokori, I take God beg you. I know that you are doing a lot, spending your data to watch my videos. Some people, they will even comment after watching the videos. I know it takes a lot of effort. God bless you as you do so. Your support is going a long way, and I really appreciate it. See you on the other side. Holla.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the notification button.